Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can create a trial account for SAP Analytics Cloud. I got the questions from most of the guys they don't have business emails. So how they can create an account? So first of all, you will go to SAP Analytics Cloud website, and here you will click on start your free trial account. So if you try to log in through your Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, they will not give you access. So for that you need business email. So I got a solution for you guys. So go to temp mail. So it will give you professional email. From here you can create your SAP trial account. So this is your inbox, and here your email. Copy it, go to the next tab and paste it here and click on next. So this will give you access to your SAP trial account here, so that you can go and do every process. So they will ask basic things from me, like my name. I enter my name, Bilal. uh, Ali Awan, and your country and your office name. So company name like ALITC, and the department you are working. So my department is business intelligence, so I will click on this, and relationship to the SAP, like I am a SAC consultant, so I will go here and consultant, click on email. Yes, send me your news and your agreements, terms and conditions. So submit. So they will send me email on my temporary email. So the next step is like check your email. So I will go here, and it will take like 1 or 2 minutes to come email here. So it's refreshing automatically. Like here I got the email, and click on it, like finalize your account. So click to activate your account, click on it, and it will redirect me to the new page. So let me just copy this and paste it here. So it will redirect, like I will click on this button, it will redirect me to the new page, and I will lose my temp mail tab. So here it will ask password, like I'm entering any password because I have got my account. This is for you guys I'm creating. So click on acknowledge, submit. Now they will give me all the access resources, like first step, second step, and the third last step. Access all the resources. They will send me another email. Here will be the link and the username and the password you set. So password is like they won't send, you have to remember your password, and the link you also have to somewhere save it. So you have one every time you log into your SAC system, so you will be logging through that URL, so you have to save that URL. Might be it will come in a minute, another email. So yeah, they have given me a welcome message. Dear Bilali, like, thank you for your interest. You will receive an email next 24 hours. but they send within 1 or 2 minutes. So let's just see here. Let me refresh it, and I hope I will get this email right away. Yeah, I got the email. Welcome to the SAP Analytics Cloud. So they are saying activate your account, and they have given me a URL. So this is my URL and this is my username. So first I will open it, new tab, and activate my account first, like my name and my email. So email will be the same because I'm using temp mail, and the password you will be entering for logging your SAC. So continue, and good to go. Like, my account is activated. So this is the link. So you have to like save it anywhere, like in your Google Sheet or somewhere in your WhatsApp, anywhere. So like for from this email you can access your SAC system. I paste it here, and you also have to remember this, like save it somewhere. Copy, and I will paste it here. Like we have your Facebook URL, and we go there and paste your username and password. So like this we have SAC. We will be pasting username and password. So the first time I will be logging here, so they will be welcoming me. Voila, like hello Blalali, thank you for joining, and etc. So I will accept their terms and conditions. So this is my SAC window. Like you can navigate here anything. The only thing you cannot do in the trial account is live connections. So you cannot do the live connection, but I have solved your problem, like how you can create your trial account just going to the temp mail and following the process. So that's it for this video. Thank you everyone.